Can't go.
Hello everyone, let's have a look at this week's economic news. Thanks, Girl.
Key points of this week. HK shares rise as US-China trade optimism. The trade tension between the US and China has dragged on for 18 months, inflicting economic damage on both countries. Top US and Chinese trade and economic officials met in Washington on Thursday and Friday. Stocks in US gained as high-level US-China trade talks progressed into a second day and optimism grew that a truce can be achieved. The Dow Jones Index subsequently recovered. S&P 500 futures rose also. President Donald Trump had a meeting with China's Vice Premier Liu He at the White House on Friday. Trump announced a very substantial Phase 1 deal to solve the long-running trade dispute with China. Trump said progress had been made on allegations of currency manipulation, intellectual property theft and other issues. He announced Phase 1 of trade deal with China and he will do a formal signing with President Xi Jinping in the meeting in Chile, which is hosting the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation meetings next month. With a significant breakthrough, Trump announced a delay on plans to hike the tariff rate on $250 billion worth of Chinese goods to 30% from 25% on October 15. Positive momentum may happen in trade talks, boosting global shares. The benchmark Hang Seng Index was down more than 1.11% at 25,821 points last Friday after anti-mask law announced. Hong Kong stocks gained 600.51 points, or 2.34%, to close at 26,308.44 on Friday. Chinese stocks closed higher too, with the Hang Seng China Enterprises Smart Index up 2.29% to close at 10,452.58 points. The Shanghai Stock Exchange Composite Index gained 25.95 points at 2,973.66 points. Besides, Hong Kong Exchanges and Clearing Limited, HKEX, 388, drops bid to buy the London Stock Exchange Group, LSEG. The chief executive of the HKEX Charles Lee said on Thursday, "We only regret the chances we didn't take." He added the strategic demands of the HKEX never change and the bourse will consider other acquisition targets or expanding its business in the future.
Thanks for watching. I will see you again next week. Bye bye.